Howdy folks, welcome back to Mother Eats. Today I'm bringing you guys to Sentul Point here to check out this new commercial area and see what's in store for everyone, especially if you're in Sentul. There are a lot of offerings here, so I'm excited to share with you because it's a really nice commercial center full of restaurants as well. So let's go. First and foremost, upon the main entrance, you will have HSBC flanked by Baskin Robbins. There are a lot of businesses, wedding saloons, and so on and so forth on the upstairs. There are a lot of nice Malay restaurants there, Nasi Kerabu, Warisan Kelantan. And as you can see, next to HSBC, we have a lot of cafes as well. Alright, so let's switch to my DJI Action 4 with my neck mount, and let's take you guys on this tour. As you can see, right next to HSBC, we have the secret recipe, eMart 24, which I just had breakfast there. Sorry for the construction because there are a lot of construction going on opposite there, and there's McDonald's right opposite the road as well. I do apologize because on the neck mount I can't exactly pinpoint when the camera is shooting. I'm just making some guesses, but hopefully you guys can have a good view of this Sentul Point commercial area. As you can see, here we are, and there's the Anytime Fitness gym right upstairs. Clinic Oasis, dentist that is coming up, renovations going on, a lot of cafes here, that's for sure. Bayang Coffee, Starbucks, Coffee Bean, and another convenience store which is from Korea. It's nice to see you. These are all on the outer part of the building. Soon enough, we'll head on to the back as well. Last but not least, at the right at the corner is Restaurant Al Bidayah, which is the Mama store. Very good one actually. And on top you have Baby store. There are 3 floors here, so right now we are at the north row. Visitors car park is at B1, but there are a lot of car park on the outside here as well. It'll be interesting to see how the Action 4 handles this, as I'm walking quite briskly. Let's head out to path here. On the inner side, you will have this Al Hayat Arabian and Mediterranean cuisine. Now this is the entry to Block A, Sentul Point. Of course, there's a residential right up there, if you guys can see. Hence why the commercial area is quite popular, because the residents' catchment area here is quite large. It's a pet care, another cafe which is Richiamo Cafe Coffee, and another cafe, which is Luka. This one is pretty nice. I want to visit it one day. Perhaps next week. And then on the inner side, where we head into block C and B and C, we have a lot of restaurants lining up on the left hand side. Starting with the Enclave, which serves Western food. Canteen Nanyang. Pretty good food there, very affordable. And we have Pocky's, Noodle House, the Tom Yum Mama Tom Yum is very, very nice. Zeus Coffee. There's a kids preschool on top, on the first floor. And of course we have the usual 7-Eleven and Misway. And on the right hand side here we have this little park, whereby just now we were at the back of Loka Cafe, Ruchiamo. But here we have Uncle Don's restaurant, Vanakam India restaurant as well, right behind it, which is the Indian cuisine. And this is how the inner courtyard looks like. Very nice inner park. You can see there on top there's a hair studio, probably a law firm, I guess. There's a massage, Thai Blissful on the first floor too. Another kids store on top, shop rather, Little Master, probably education based. Very nice. I love that they have this walk pathway that connects the blocks, and it acts as a pathway for during the rain. They have one the other side as well. There's another cafe on top, Melry Cafe, laundry, few laundries, and then at the end is another mama. And there's another one that is very popular here. The cafe is Overtime, right on top on the first floor. They have some co-working space as well. Very, very nice cafe. Need to check that out and maybe feature it on the channel soon. Nor Maju Nasi Kandar. There used to be a West Plate Factory. Yeah, there used to be a Ayam Penyet restaurant here at the corner, but since closed, it seems. Another Western restaurant that is gonna be open this place. Here we have the entry for residents to block B and C. There's a hospital here, sort of. A child specialist center, mental health clinic, right down here. And on the right hand side, we have Urban Marketplace, the grocery. So you really have everything here, and it's very, very convenient. This grocery is very well stocked. Shopped here a few times. And they have all these car parks outside that is exclusive to if you're shopping at the urban marketplace. And then we have another clinic, and as was mentioning earlier, we have a lot of the great Malay restaurants, Hijau Kasturi, Nasi Kerabu, and Warisan Kelantan. I've bookmarked this, especially the Nasi Kerabu. Definitely need to try it one of these days. And then we have Baskin Robbins. There are a few shops on the left hand side as well. I think Cha Time is there. But yeah, the rest are just retail shops, clothing shops. Well, I guess that's the end of our tour of Sentul Point. But this place is growing very quickly. Plenty of commercial areas down on the left hand side as well. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little tour around Sentul Point commercial area. It's really a cool place to come and check this out if you're in Sentul. And do like this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video, and that will help us a lot. Alright, see ya to the next video. Bye.